Are you looking for a way to create your own avatar with AI? Let me show you how to generate your avatar using AI. Now, the website in question is Remaker.ai. It comes with a ton of different AI tools that you can easily use to get this done. Now, all you have to do is head over to Remaker AI, create an account with your Google account if you have one, and simply choose the AI avatar generator. As you can see here, I'm on the all page and I can find it under the AI photo generators, and you can just simply click on AI avatar generator. That will quickly open it up for you in a new window, and so you can choose from a ton of different templates. So whether you're male or female, you can easily go ahead and choose an avatar. You can also choose from templates as well, and as you can see, you can choose male, female, and just choose from the different templates available to you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and choose, for example, male right here, and I'm gonna create an avatar. So let's say I want to create an avatar using this chubby boy here. I can go ahead and I can click on that, and I can just simply upload my image. So I need to find an image of myself. Hopefully I have one here. So let me take this image right here, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this image, and then scroll down and click and generate. And this is going to generate the avatar from this specific picture that I've selected. And just wait a moment. As you can see, it's generating, and there you have it, guys. It has generated this chubby image for me right here. This is so weird, to be honest. It's weird, but you get the general idea. So if you're looking to create an avatar, you can. Now this is a simpler realistic image of that, but you can always go ahead and choose whichever style. So if I want to look like Jack Sparrow, I can go ahead and I can choose Jack Sparrow, and I can simply click generate, and it's going to generate two images of myself looking like Jack Sparrow. You can also do it for Iron Man. You can do it for whatever. You also have the custom section as well, so I'm going to show you how that look in a moment. All right, look at me looking at Jack Sparrow. That is super cool, right? It is interesting, guys. Now, as I said, you have the custom section, so you can click on that and you can choose something as well. So if you want to look, for example, something like in a Disney, you can select that. You have photography as well, so you have a few options here that you can choose, right? So I'm gonna choose, for example, the photography one or the Disney one. Yeah, let's try the Disney one. And you can even put prompts there, so I can say being in space, for example, and go ahead and hit generate, and let's see what this one actually looks like. So it's gonna generate for me in that suit, I believe, somewhere in space, or at least that's what I want to do in terms of the prompt. So let's just wait for that, and there you have it, guys. How cool is that? This is like a Disney one, right? So you can easily create your avatars, guys, using this. It is very easy and very simple. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you're looking to create your own avatar, you Remaker AI to do that. And let me go ahead and show you as well that in case you run out of credit, you can simply go ahead and get more credits by simply clicking on price on the upper right hand side, and you can purchase from one of these options available to you. You can pay with your credit card, Google Pay, or even Apple Pay. Choose the option convenient to you, purchase some credit, and start having fun with these AI tools. You can find the link within the description of this video so you can quickly create your account and start testing out Remaker AI.